What if I told you that not eating could be one of the most powerful things you do for your health? It sounds counterintuitive, but science is revealing the ancient practice of fasting as a tool for profound healing. By giving your digestive system a break, you trigger deep cellular repair and even an immune system reset. This isn't about starvation. It's a controlled process that taps into your body's natural survival mechanisms. A 99-hour water-only fast lets your body clean house, clearing out damaged components and emerging stronger. For 99 hours, you consume only water and essential electrolytes, stepping away from the constant cycle of eating and digesting. In this video, we'll explore what happens inside your body during this fast. From burning fat, to deep cellular cleansing, to hormonal shifts that promote longevity. We'll also cover how to do it safely, and why this isn't a quick fix, but a powerful tool for lasting vitality. The fast begins the moment you finish your last meal. For the first 12 hours, your body uses stored glucose for energy. As glycogen runs low, your body starts searching for a new fuel source. This is the metabolic switch. It begins breaking down stored fat into ketones, a process called ketosis. The transition, usually between 12 and 24 hours, can be tough. Hunger peaks, and you might feel irritable or foggy. But this discomfort signals a profound biological shift. By 24 hours, your body is running on ketones, which provide steady energy and help suppress hunger. You've crossed the first hurdle. Your body is now burning its own fat for fuel. This shift is the gateway to the powerful cellular repair processes that come next. Stay hydrated and remember, this is where the real transformation begins. From 24 to 48 hours, your cells ramp up autophagy, breaking down and recycling old damaged parts. This deep cellular spring cleaning is crucial for long-term health and disease prevention. By depriving your body of external energy, you force your cells to become more efficient and resourceful. Moving into the third day, many people notice mental clarity as the brain adapts to ketones, which also boost brain cell growth. Your immune system gets a reset too. Old immune cells are cleared out, and after the fast, new ones are generated. You're not just burning fat, you're rejuvenating your body at the cellular level. This is the heart of extended fasting's benefits: deep repair, mental sharpness, and immune renewal. The journey continues as your body prepares for its deepest state of healing. Beyond 72 hours, your body enters its deepest repair mode. Human growth hormone surges, preserving muscle and promoting tissue regeneration. This hormonal shift primes your body for powerful rebuilding once you eat again. Insulin sensitivity improves, giving your cells a break from constant sugar signaling and reducing long-term disease risk. By 99 hours, you've transitioned from sugar burning to fat burning, cleansed your cells, rebooted your immune system, and optimized key hormones. You've tapped into ancient survival pathways for modern wellness. This isn't just not eating, it's a full-body reset. Extended fasting isn't for everyone. Pregnant women, those with eating disorders, or serious medical conditions should avoid it or consult a doctor first. If you're healthy, stay hydrated and supplement with electrolytes to prevent fatigue and cramps. Listen to your body. Mild hunger is normal, but stop if you feel dizzy or unwell. Gentle movement is fine, but avoid strenuous exercise. Breaking the fast is crucial. Start with something light, like broth or steamed veggies, and avoid heavy or processed foods. This gentle reintroduction helps your digestive system adjust and maximizes the benefits. Remember, fasting is a tool for health, not a test of willpower. Approach it mindfully, and you'll finish renewed in body. Many modern diseases, from arthritis to depression, are linked to chronic inflammation. A 99-hour water fast significantly lowers markers like CRP, or C-reactive protein. People with autoimmune issues often report reduced flare-ups, joint pain, and skin irritations during and after the fast. Why would your brain work better when you're not eating? It's evolutionary. When food was scarce, our ancestors had to stay alert and focused to find their next meal. During a fast, your brain releases more BDNF. That's brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which enhances memory and cognitive function. You become more alert, focused, and mentally clear. Research from the University of Southern California shows that fasting longer than 72 hours triggers stem cell-based regeneration of your immune system. Old white blood cells are broken down and new ones are created, essentially giving you a brand new immune system. With insulin levels down and inflammation reduced, your cardiovascular system gets a break. Blood pressure stabilizes, LDL or bad cholesterol drops, and triglycerides improve. These effects can last even after you end the fast, especially if you break it properly and eat clean afterward. After 99 hours without food, your cravings disappear, not just because you're fasting, but because your body stops depending on sugar spikes. Many people report that they finally understand true hunger versus emotional eating. You start craving real whole foods instead of processed junk. Completing a 99-hour water fast is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. You become more aware of your habits, impulses, and patterns. This discipline often extends into other areas of life: better sleep, productivity, exercise, and emotional control. Digestion is one of the most energy-intensive processes in your body. Every time you eat, your organs, especially your liver, stomach, pancreas, and intestines, go into overdrive. But during a 99-hour water fast, digestion nearly halts. Your body reallocates that energy toward repairing tissues, detoxifying cells, and balancing hormones. Without any sugar or carbs for over 99 hours, insulin, the fat storage hormone, drops to its lowest levels. Lower insulin means your body can finally access stubborn fat stores for fuel. This can improve insulin sensitivity over time, potentially reversing early stages of type 2 diabetes and preventing metabolic syndrome. Unlike typical weight loss, which often targets subcutaneous fat, water fasting targets visceral fat, the harmful belly fat wrapped around your organs. Studies have shown that extended fasting is particularly effective in reducing this fat, which is linked to heart disease, fatty liver, and insulin resistance. Normally, your body focuses on growth, especially after meals when nutrients are abundant. But during fasting, it switches to repair mode. DNA gets repaired, mitochondria are rejuvenated, and oxidative stress decreases. This state promotes longevity and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Completing a 99-hour water fast is a remarkable achievement, but how you break your fast is just as important as the fast itself. Your digestive system needs a gentle restart. Think of it as slowly bringing a factory back online. Rushing can cause discomfort and undo your progress. Today, I'll guide you through a careful, step-by-step refeeding process. We'll cover the best foods to start with, portion control, and the importance of hydration. This isn't just about eating again. It's about nourishing your body with intention. By following these guidelines, you'll transition smoothly and maximize the benefits of your fast. Let's begin this final vital step together. Your first meal should be easy to digest. Bone broth or a smooth vegetable soup is ideal, rich in minerals and gentle on your gut. Avoid raw, heavy, or processed foods. Keep it light and simple. This meal is about signaling to your body that it's time to restart digestion, not about satisfying hunger. After your initial meal, eat small, nutrient-dense portions every 2 to 3 hours. Your stomach is still adjusting. Overloading it can cause discomfort. Prepare small meals in advance, like bone broth, steamed veggies, or a few berries. This gradual approach helps prevent refeeding syndrome and supports a smooth transition. On day 2, slowly add healthy fats and lean proteins. Try a small portion of poached fish, a soft-boiled egg, or avocado. Continue with small, frequent meals. Avoid heavy or fried foods. This supports your body's repair and muscle maintenance as you recover from the fast. Hydration is still crucial, but now focus on electrolytes too. Bone broth and a pinch of sea salt in your water help replenish minerals. Don't overdo plain water. Balance it with electrolytes to avoid headaches or cramps. This keeps your energy up and supports your body's transition. After a few days, introduce fermented foods like sauerkraut or kefir. Start with small amounts to help repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. These foods aid digestion, support immunity, and enhance nutrient absorption. Make them a regular part of your post-fast diet for lasting gut health. For the first week, keep your meals simple and clean. Focus on whole foods, steamed veggies, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-sugar fruits. Avoid processed foods, sugars, and alcohol to maintain your fast's benefits. This is a chance to notice how your body responds and build healthy habits. Keep a journal of what you eat and how you feel. Note meals, portions, and your body's reactions. This helps you identify foods that work for you and those that don't. Journaling empowers you to make informed choices long after your fast. Fasting doesn't have to be a one-time event. Explore sustainable options like time-restricted eating or occasional 24-hour fasts. Find a rhythm that fits your life and health goals. Fasting can be a powerful tool for long-term wellness and vitality. Congratulations on your achievement and commitment to health. Breaking your fast with care sets the stage for lasting wellness. Subscribe for more insights and share your experience in the comments. Let's continue this journey to better health together.